The MELAtherm 10 Evolution provides 4 programs for cleaning and disinfection of instruments. The subsequent active drying protects the instruments against recontamination, corrosion, and damage. The program selection depends on the degree of soiling of the load. Select the Universal program for strongly soiled instruments. The Quick program is suitable for lightly soiled instruments. The Intensive program is designed for especially strongly soiled instruments. The extended cleaning phase ensures an improved outcome. The Ophthalmo-Program is intended exclusively for ophthalmologists using specialized instruments. In addition to a number of process adjustments, this program does not have a metering phase for the rinse aid. The use of a DTB device with a 230-volt connection extends the represented cycles by up to 20 minutes.